Today, gagawa tayo ng isa sa pinakapaborito kong childhood chicken comfort food. Dahil for this episode of our Only Rice series, mahihirapan kayo hindi mag-only rice yan kung ang ulam is garlic buttered chicken. Woo! For this recipe, gagamit ulit tayo ng chicken thighs, boneless, cut into bite-sized pieces. For the marinade, add garlic, soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and of course, season it with salt. Drop 1 egg, 1 cup of cold water, and 1.5 cup of cornstarch. Marinade nyo lang for 2 to 3 hours. Then of course, we deep fry for 8 to 10 minutes, medium high heat. Ibalik lang natin ulit siya for double frying. Syempre para extra crispy. For your coating, gagamit tayo ng half butter and half margarine. Or ano ba, margarine? Basta mantikilya. 2 garlic yung gamit ko dito. And 7 pieces yan ng sili. Kaya na bahala mag-adjust. Don't forget again to season with salt and pepper. Garnish with chili flakes and green onions. And you know the drill, dagdagan nyo na yung sinaing nyo. And ayan, meron na tayong buttered garlic chicken. It's buttery, garlicky, slightly spicy. Sobrang sarap, lalo na kung luto nyo. A good reminder din, besties, that it's okay to indulge from time to time. O siya, pagsaing na. Enjoy!